Greetings to all the nurses of Bermuda. In this time of physical distancing, it is indeed my pleasure to still be able to address you today on International Nurses Day and to convey my sincere appreciation and admiration for your profession. 2020 hasn't been an easy year for anyone, least of all our nurses. Your already hard work became harder, your already long hours became longer, and the call to help your community became louder. You're on the front lines, living the reality of COVID-19 more intensely than anyone. You're dealing with the same things you always have: sickness, enormous work pressures and responsibilities, loss, but somehow this is different. There's an atmosphere of uncertainty and fear, uncertainty of global and community outcomes, and fear of the unknown. As we continue to learn more and more about this new virus, but instead of shying away, you have picked up the mantle, volunteering to perform health screenings for COVID-19, caring for vulnerable populations who have been exposed to COVID-19, and in some cases, risking your own health to ensure the safety of your families and the community. That makes this year's theme all the more fitting: Nurses, a voice to lead, nursing the world to health. Please know that we at the Ministry of Health have your back, recognize your efforts, and appreciate all that you do for the community, both during this pandemic and beyond. My wish for you is that this pandemic draws attention to all of your efforts, sacrifices, and dedication to heal and help. This day is for you, this month is for you, and this year is for you. You are nursing Bermuda and the world to health. Thank you to the Bermuda Nurses Association for allowing me to address you today. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity to do so. I will now read this year's proclamation. Whereas 2020 marks the 200th anniversary since Florence Nightingale's birth, and whereas the nearly 600 nurses in Bermuda comprise our island's largest healthcare profession, and whereas the demand for nursing services will be greater than ever because of Bermuda's aging population, the continuing expansion of life-sustaining technology, and the growth of home healthcare services, and whereas a renewed emphasis on affordable, accessible, and quality health care will require expanded utilization of all of our island's nursing resources. And whereas, despite the social and economic climate, nurses are renowned for promoting an environment in which human rights, values, customs, and spiritual beliefs of the individual, family, and community are respected. Nursing care is respectful of and unrestricted by considerations of age, color, creed, culture, disability, illness, gender, sexual orientation, nationality, politics, race, or social status. And whereas the Bermuda Nurses Association, as the voice of the registered nurses of this country, and the Ministry of Health continue to create and maintain safe, equitable social and economic working conditions in nursing, and chart a new course for a healthy nation that relies on increased delivery of high-quality primary and preventative health care. Now, therefore, I, the Honorable Kim N. Wilson, JPNP, Minister of Health, in celebration of the high quality of care delivered by the nurses of Bermuda and the consistent striving towards an innovative and collaborative approach for access and equity to delivering quality health care to this community, I do hereby declare on the day Tuesday, 12th of May, 2020 as International Nurses Day, the month of May as Nurses Month, and 2020 as the International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife.